Hey, creative, the movies lied. You don't only get one shot. You may get specific chances at specific circumstances. Yeah, a contest, a scholarship, that kind of thing. But that's not your only shot. Your life is full of opportunities to create, to share your creations, to help other people make stuff. That doesn't just go away. Those opportunities don't vanish just because you missed the shot. And while I agree that when an opportunity comes up, you need to grab it with both hands, with all of your strength, that's got nothing to do with this concept that if you miss your chance, it's done, it's over, you can't do anything. It's not true. You can go back to school, you can take music lessons, you can do these things as long as you live. Nothing is stopping you from creating something today, right now. And here's the amazing thing. If you make something, and then you make something the next day, and you make something the next day, and you get better, guess what's going to happen? More shots come your way. You get more chances. I'm not going to go into any kind of fate talk here, but I will say that if you are ready and you are making things, you will be surprised at the opportunities that just kind of fall into your path. So, you want another shot? Get busy creating. I promise you, the chance that you missed back there did not damn you. You're okay. You can keep going, and you can still make really great stuff. Speaking of which, have you made anything yet today? It's not too late. Sit down with me now. Give yourself permission to make it tiny and make it messy, but make something new.